What's going on today, YouTube? Back with another one, BWI2ATXF, the channel. And today, what we're just going to be discussing is a very candid, unsolicited, transparent review on some carbon fiber replacement caps. I did get these off of eBay to replace my failed carbon fiber caps from eBay. Clear coat just completely failed on it. So I am very caution when I'm proceeding with these next replacements. So this is a dry carbon replacement. Due to the issues that I'll be discussing, these didn't even make it to the fitment stage, so I can't vouch for that. I don't think there's going to be too much issue doing so. But if you go with a vendor, whether it's on eBay or just e-commerce in general, proceed with caution if you are particular. I say that because this may meet expectations for some, but I'm pretty particular on certain items, especially when a previous item has failed. So I'm just going to show you why I'm deeming these as defective and sending them back to the seller for a full refund via eBay. So overall, the weave is not terrible. It is a little bit distorted. I've seen better. It could be better, but again, your tolerance is, it's dependent on that. First and foremost, this is defective for this right here. This clear coat or the resin or whatever is already failing. This right here, they claimed it not to be defective, but it's plain as day defective right there. Furthermore, there's some hazing underneath the, not going to be able to see it on this camera, but there's some hazing right here where the clear or the vacuum of the dry carbon did not fully vacuum to close off. This is going to heat up and create a void, and the clear is going to eventually fail. So I'll go over on this one, same story. Where is it at? You can kind of see it right here, separating underneath with not a good seal. And again, proceed with caution on this. These are like $150 before shipping and taxes, but you don't want to put that on your car, go through it, the process of clear coating, and it's just going to fail. I'm not sure if you can see this right here, but there's a carbon fiber strand that's out of place. I mean, that's really marginal of an issue. It's something to consider when you're looking at quality QC pass. You're the fuck right. So just a quick, show, like high resolution of these mirrors, some things to look out for. There's some polish that's needed here. That is a small issue that should be able to be corrected pretty easily, but I mean, the other items is just not worth my time. So real quick one, proceed with caution. Make sure you get pictures for anybody that you're doing business with on this. And if you don't give a damn, go ahead, send it. Appreciate y'all watching. Been another episode of BWI2ATXF, the channel. Go ahead and like and subscribe if this video helps you out. Until next time.